Hello mga Colors Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you my Transformers new collection. Okay, first let's start with this one. So this is my Transformers Autobot and Decepticon logo.
What does it do?
I think it's only for display. Yeah. Next, I have Grimlock, the Dinobot leader. Or the Dinobot King, I should say. Yeah. Next, I got
You got it from where? Where did you buy it?
Toy Kingdom.
Okay.
Next, I got Devastator. That's right. Devastator. The Constructicons.
Did you buy all of it sa Toy Kingdom?
No, some others are in the different. Yeah. Some others are from online and some others are from the Toy Kingdom.
Okay.
Here's at the back. Next, I got Mirage from Rise of the Beast. Here it is, guys. Okay, next, I got Alita 1 from Transformers 1. The female robot.
The love team of Hot Rod.
No, the love team of Optimus Prime. Yeah. Next, I got Hot Rod from the 1986 movie. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe
And
and
that
like.
and that is the end of my Transformers toys collection tour. Bye.
Bye. See you again.
See you again maybe on the next vlog. Bye.